So what it does now is the AI starts creating a lesson about this.
That's it.
But I'm going to show you how to
Boom.
Try to promote 21st century skills. They're open-ended questions.
Incredible.
It's through in a brain break here. That's a drawing exercise. I usually, when I do live lectures, what I usually do is
Wow.
I do a lot of lectures on startup. And what I usually do is I don't prepare at all. I walk into the room and I pull up a Curipod and I say, what do you want to learn about today? And I have all the members writing in their answers and then vote. And then I have a list of the 5 top things everyone wants to learn. And I can talk about those. And that means the people are in the room, they care about it. But I still I've set the parameters in how I ask the question, right? So if I ask what you want to learn about startups, I'm open to answer any questions about startups. If I ask what you want to learn about growth in startups, I've set the parameters.
I just,
How many people can join this online? We have tested with 1,000. That worked fine. It's hard to test with more, but more should work as well.
1,000.
Yes.
And it's free,
Yes, no blocker. So
goodbye, Kahoot.